shine through clouds, through endless skies. Your grace will never die. Every breath and quiet flame carries your name. You hold my heart so tight through every darkest night. Your love will never fade, and you safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. The night gives way to holy light. You turn my wrongs to right. Every moment shines anew because of you. You hold the stars, you calm the waves. Your mercy freely saves, and in your hands I find peace divine. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. When the world fades away, your love will stay. Through the silence and the fire, you lift me higher. You're the rhythm in my chest, my peace, my rest. Forever you defend. Love that never ends. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. Presence eternal, forever I'm home. In the silence you remain. Through the joy and through the pain, every heartbeat sings your grace. I feel you in this place. The waves are whispering your name. Your peace will never change. Every breath I take tonight, you fill with holy light. You move through every sound, your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy The stars above begin to glow. Your beauty starts to show. Every thought you sanctify. Your love will never die. Your spirit lingers in the air. I know you're always there. You carry me through night and day. In you I'll always stay. You move through every sound. Your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. You are the fire within my heart. You set my life apart. Your peace is all I see. You're everything to me. No shadow can remain. Your mercy breaks the chain. Forever you will be my eternity. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. Presence eternal, forever you stay. Presence eternal. Whisper of truth, forever you move. In the stillness of my soul, your voice makes me whole. Through the silence I can hear your words are crystal clear. heart belongs to you. I'll follow where you guide, with you I'll abide. You speak beyond the sound, where grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Let your voice fall like the rain, healing every pain. Through the quiet night, you turn dark to light. Your truth restores my soul. Your words make me whole. Forever I will hear your whisper near. Forever you move, whisper of truth. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper lingers in the air, a peace beyond compare. Every moment speaks of you, so gentle, pure and true. You breathe where I can't see, your love surrounding me. You call me to begin, your light within. Breath of heaven, soft and near, your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. so clear. You fill the air with peace and light. You turn my wrongs to right. Forever I'll belong within your breath of heaven. Echoes of peace calling me. The night is soft, the stars are near. Your presence whispers clear. Every wave that meets the shore reminds me I'm yours. You breathe in colors of the sky, where time and love collide. Every moment you restore, I'm whole once more. You move within the sound, your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. The morning light begins to rise. Your mercy fills the skies. Every tear you've washed away, in grace I stay. Your spirit moves in every breeze, a song that never leaves. You speak in hearts alive, your love divine. You move within the sound, your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain like rivers flow wherever I may go. Each breath becomes a prayer. I know you're there. You calm the storm inside. Your love will never hide. Forever you will be peace over me. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Echoes of peace. Echoes of peace. Thankful heart, where grace will start. The dawn awaken, soft and clear. Your mercy draws me near. Every moment, every sound, your beauty all around. The gentle waves, they sing your praise in endless, tender waves. My heart begins to see you're all I need to be. You lift me when I fall. You're everything and all. Your presence fills the space with endless grace. Thankful heart, open wide. Your love will be my guide. Every breath, every start flows from this thankful heart. Thankful, calm and true. All I am belongs to. All I am belongs to you. Forever set apart. My thankful heart. Through the silence, through the night, you turn my wrongs to right. Every fear is lost its place. I'm resting in your grace. You paint the sky with shades of peace. Your mercy will not cease. My soul begins to sing. You are my everything. You lift me when I fall. You're everything and all. Your presence fills the space with endless grace. Thankful heart, open wide. Your love will be my guide. Every breath, every start flows Your peace surrounds my soul. You make my spirit whole. Forever I'll proclaim the glory of your name. Faithful heart. awakens my soul. You make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away as you begin to stay. You lift my eyes to see the dawn, a love that carries on. Every breath I take is yours forevermore. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me, pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Shine within me. Forever free. Shine within me. Forever free. Through endless skies, your mercy flows, your kindness overflows. Every step I walk in light, your love makes all things right. You fill the dark with golden hue, my soul finds rest in you. In silence I can hear your voice so clear. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit